Just going to have a look at exactly what the T test statistic is. Now, T, you'll be able to find with your calculator later on when we come to do the testing, but sometimes they might ask you to work it out. So we've got a formula, and I just want to explain what each one of these is. So T is the T test statistic. You'll see this thing called X bar. Now, X bar is the sample mean, and if you look above, we've got the sample mean. Then we've got this Greek letter mu, which stands for the population mean. So that is the one that we started with. And then we've got S, which stands for the sample distribution standard deviation. And then we've got N, which is the number in my distribution. So that's my formula. So for this one, with the information that I've got there, T equals sample mean. So here is a sample mean, 84. Take away the population mean, this is the one we started with, which is 88. Then I'm going to divide all of that by the sample standard deviation. So let's have a look here. The sample had a standard deviation of 12. And then we're going to divide that by how many there were in the sample, which I think is 30. We'll put this in a bracket to remember we're going to do that first. Now you eventually come up with a T test statistic, and all of that will explain what that T test statistic actually is and how we're going to use it later. But this is just about what each of these are in the T test statistic. So I can work that out separately. I think my calculator will do it for me in a test on the settings, but it's nice to understand what everything means and how to do it.